Let me talk to you about the homework tracking system in general. There are a couple components to it. Number one is you have to have a record of your homework. Can't do something that you don't know you have to do. So one piece is just how are we going to keep track of this? Then there's a time management component. We're going to prioritize. What's the most important job? What's second most important? What has to be done today? What has to be done tomorrow? What can be done a little bit down in the road? Then we're going to put this all together in one place, managed with everything you need to do, with your prioritization, with your goal setting. Then the last piece, which you're going to learn a little further down in the book, is breaking up longer term projects into smaller, more manageable ones that you can handle and get done on time every time. So this chapter, Time Management Organization, is about giving you the framework in order to set up and manage your time most effectively. Enjoy.